From time to time, you may need to work out how much fluid a patient is likely to receive over a given amount of time. In this instance, a patient is receiving saline by infusion from an administration set which delivers 20 drops per ml. The infusion is dripping at a rate of 50 drops per minute. How much fluid will the patient receive in 3 hours? Our formula for working out a volume is a slightly different construction. It doesn't contain an over 1 element. To work out a volume, we first of all need to multiply our rate by our time in minutes, and then divide that total by the drop factor. So let's have a look how we would set that formula up for this problem. First of all, we were given our rate. The infusion was dripping at a rate of 50 drops per minute. We were told our time, which was 3 hours, which we have to convert to minutes. 3 times 60 is 180 minutes, which we will need to divide by our drop factor, which for clear fluid is 20. The first step of solving this formula is to multiply 50 by 80. So let's have a look at how we might want to go about that without using a calculator. We can use a technique called partitioning to solve this. If we take our 180, we can partition that into hundreds, there's 100, and our tens, we have 8 tens and 0 units. And we can multiply each of these numbers by 50, which actually makes it a little bit easier. So 50 times 100 gives us 5,000, and 50 multiplied by 80, using our shortcut method, 5 multiplied by 8 is 40, and we removed our 2 zeros to think about that, so we must put them back. And then we can simply add those numbers together to give us our total, which is 9,000. We now need to solve the final stage of our calculation, which is 9,000 divided by 20. Again, we can cancel down 900 divided by 2, 2 even numbers there. 2 goes into 900 450 times and into 2 once, which gives us an answer of 450. Remember, no answer is complete without the correct unit. We were calculating a volume, so we simply need to add mils on the end to give an answer of 450 mils.